Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide text in your Word document, right? So in case you're in Microsoft Word and you have a bunch of text that you want to hide, these steps you can use to easily hide them, and I'm gonna show you how to unhide them afterwards as well. So just simple go ahead and highlight the text, and then once you highlight the text, automatically you should find the options for the text. If not, just simple right click and you will find the option that says font. Now once you click on font, you have the option under the effects that says hidden, and if you click on hidden then click on OK, you realize the text is no longer there. However, the text is not gone. In order to find it, ensure that you click on the home tab, and right under the paragraph section you will find the show and hide option. So once you click on that, if you click on this little button here, it will show the text that you hide, right? But if you want to unhide that text permanently, you just simply need to go to the font section. As I said, once you highlight the text, you have the option here. You can click on it from here, or you can right click and simply go to fonts and then simply uncheck the hidden, then click on OK, and that will unhide the text for you permanently. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.